we are in this lovely location with the main chateau behind me, but also like a potential for 7 gîtes at least, because you've got like tons of outbuildings here. A nice land with trees, ponds. So that's really a quiet location. It's got a private lane, 400 meters long lane with trees to enter the place. There's already 3 gîtes, not finished, renovation in progress, but you can finish it up to your taste. And the excellent point is that it's far enough to get a lot of privacy with the main chateau house here. Niort is 20 minutes away from here, and you are less than an hour from the ocean La Rochelle, which is famous. And from La Rochelle, which is really a nice location on the ocean side, you can access the train to Paris, the fast LGV train, and so it's less than 2 or 3 hours to go to Paris from there. So in terms of location, that's ideal. All the roofs have been absolutely redone, except the 2 towers, they need a bit of renovation. Is empty, but you've got fireplaces like that everywhere in the chateau. That could be renovated to a nice large kitchen. Obviously you need some work here, but here we've got a really lovely room. The beams are absolutely brand new here, and the flooring, it's in excellent condition. That's massive, that's a massive place with many rooms. The outbuildings are thousands of square meters, I think. We've got a tower here, a tower there, fireplaces everywhere. So we are in the little round tower. It's Croix de Saint-André. Oh, here is the view from the tower. Also, one of the great things is that you've got the main lane entrance, 400 meters long, the main entrance, but you've got this other secondary entrance there, which means if you run this place as a gîte, B&B or whatever you want here, you have an independent entrance separate from the main one. So it's easy to have your own place. You could live there and rent the other part, or rent those gîtes with views on the chateau and live in the chateau. So ideal location for a business. You'll find all the links for that property in the description of that video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.